Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ASUS router dashboard for smart home device blocking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your computer or device is connected to the ASUS router's network. Open a web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in the router's default IP address, which is typically 192.168.1.1, and press enter. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you haven't changed them, the default username is admin and the default password is also admin. Once entered, click the login button to access the router's dashboard. After logging in, navigate to the network map section on the dashboard. From there, locate the Clients tab to see a list of all connected devices. Identify the smart home device you wish to block. Click on the device's name for more options. Look for the option labeled Block or Deny. After selecting this option, confirm your decision to block the device. You will receive a notification that the device is now blocked from accessing the network. To save changes, navigate to the Administration section. Select Save to ensure your settings are applied. Finally, log out by clicking on the Logout button at the top right corner. You have successfully blocked the smart home device from accessing your ASUS router. This process can be repeated for any additional devices you wish to block. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.